Hi, hello friends. Again, welcome back to Link's gardening channel. Today topic is about how to make liquid fertilizer for plants using orange peel and onion peel. If you're watching my video in first time, please click on the subscribe button and also enable the bell icon. Make your own budget-friendly fertilizer. Did you know that orange peels are chock full of nitrogen? Nitrogen is essential to good fertilizer. When your soil needs a boost, you can add in ground up orange peels. The best way to extract the nitrogen from the orange peel is to making a liquid fertilizer. While making the liquid fertilizer, the orange peel releases the nitrogen and is result to nutrient rich soil in your plant will love. And also don't throw away the onion skins. Use them to create organic potassium rich fertilizer for all your plant growing indoor or outdoor. Using it will increase their disease resistance, growth, strong stems and productivity. This onion skill fertilizer will also be rich in calcium, iron, magnesium and copper. So use these two types of peels to make a good natural liquid fertilizer without any cost. Pour 2 to 3 cups of plain water. Don't use the bleaching water. I will recommend you to use only the tap water. Set this mixture in a dark room for 2 to 3 days. After 2 to 3 days, the liquid it will be like this. You will feel a orange smell while you are stirring with the stick. At this last step, you need to filter the solution to separate the orange peels and onion peels. You don't need to use this whole solution into your plants. You need to properly filter and separate those unused peels. I just taking this remaining unused peels to putting in my organic compost. Now you can see the clear liquid is formed. You need to take 1 glass of the liquid fertilizer and you need to dilute the solution to 1:10. I just going to dilute this liquid fertilizer with 10 glass of water. If you are pouring the liquid fertilizer directly to your plant, will damage the roots and plants. So be careful about the dilution. The liquid fertilizer is ready to use on your plants.